Good evening, everybody. Welcome back. This is Sam 2000 again, and tonight I'm going to give a short review, a very special review requested by my friend. This is a Mercedes Benz GLK class, GLK 350, made by Maisto. This is a budget model, uh, as because Maisto makes some budget models. I took this model due to it has all opening 4 doors. As you know that Maisto makes models with the only front doors openable, but in this case, fortunately, the back door is also openable. Let's take a look. First, the headlights. These are averagely done. You can see some nice details over there, and the engine vents. Obviously, these are not perforated. You can see that. You can't expect perforation in this budget model. Also, this is a nice Mercedes-Benz logo, 3-star logo. Some lovely chrome details over there. Wheels are nice. In the middle, there is a Mercedes-Benz logo. Let's look at the interior. Interior is averagely done. You can see that. Some wood finish over there in the dashboard, in the doors. Some finish is also there. In the back, there is also an air conditioning vents over there, but it's not carpeted. One thing is that you can see that this angle, this door angle is not perfect in this model. In the back, the tail lights averagely done. It's written over there 4MATIC, the Mercedes emblem. It's a sticker. It's not embossed or separately applied. And here GLK 350. Exhaust in the back. You can open this also. Sorry. See the interiors. Let's look at the engine. Some details over there, some highlighted details over there. It's a nice model in this price range, around 4,000 rupees. Also, it has got suspension, working suspension. You just see that. Model is averagely weighted. The underframe is some nice touches over there. You can see that. Mercedes-Benz GLK class, a nice model from Maisto. There is also a maker of this model, that is GT Autos from Valley. It's a premium model, but you can have it as it's a budget model and some nice details over there. It's a good model in this price range. Thank you very much for watching. Good night.